saw the tether in the hand of a younger man at Riverview where the Kenogami bends. A scrap of neon nylon dancing in the drafts, while a little shadow learned what a north wind sends. Two hearts tied to a string in the Longlac hair, a piece of magic I forgot was even there. High above the tree line where the eagle used to run, tethered to the gravity, reaching for the sun. A moment from the Arca's ways, caught inside the circuit of the digital gaze, caught inside the digital gaze. I felt the hum of the lens in the palm of my hand, capturing the distance that they didn't understand. A mechanical eye watching island meet the blue, while the Kenogami water filtered through the view. A modern ghost hovering high above the pine, drawing digital limits around a timeless line. Around a timeless line. High above the tree line where the eagle used to run, tethered to the gravity, reaching for the sun. A moment from the Arca's ways, caught inside the circuit of the digital gaze, caught inside the digital gaze. Wire in the cloud, string in the hand, two different ways to look at the land. One is to feel, what is the angle that makes it all real? High above the tree line where the eagle used to run, tethered to the gravity, reaching for the sun. Oh, a moment from the Arca's ways, caught inside the circuit of the digital gaze, caught inside the digital gaze. Yeah. Longlac wind keeps blowing on. Still tethered, still tethered.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Have yourself a great day.